In this video, I want to bring my images to life, and to do this, I'm going to use Seedance 2 on Dzine, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do this. So these are the 3 images that I want to bring to life. These are like moody kind of images, and I created them in Photoshop from real photos, and now I want to make videos out of them. To do this, I'm going to use Seedance 2.0 on Dzine, so let's get into it. Alright, here I'm at Dzine.ai, and where I want to go is I want to go to AI video. So let's click on AI video. And in AI video, we need to make sure we have Seedance 2.0 selected. So I have that one selected. Then I'm gonna select my start frame. So the start frame, this will be my photo. So let me first upload my photo. You could also set an end frame, but I'm not gonna set an end frame because I just wanna have the starting frame and the end frame will be pretty much the same. Then I'm gonna enter a prompt. I'm gonna put the prompt in the description of the video in case you want to see that. So let me paste my prompt. So this is my prompt. So what I want is I want a butterfly to fly into the frame and sit on the beak of this Atlantic puffin. Then we're gonna go to the settings of the video, and for the quality I'm gonna go for 720p, and the duration, let's do 10 seconds. By the way, you can make videos up to 15 seconds with Seedance Pro. Let's close this. And now all we have to do is to just generate this and let AI generate this video. While this is being generated, I'm gonna create another video. Let's go to AI video again. And here I will set my starting frame just the same as the first one. Let's put this Hulk here. And for this Hulk, I have a different prompt. So again, this will be in the description of the video in case you wanna read that all. And then all the settings, we're gonna keep the same. And let's do 10 seconds again. And also only a start frame, so no end frame. And let's click on generate. And we're gonna do one more, and that is the last one. Don't forget, go to AI video and not AI image. And here I'm gonna import my all. So we have 3 images, 3 different prompts, and pretty much the same style edit. And then again, 10 seconds, 720p. Let's go all the way to the right. And a different prompt. So let me copy paste this here. And then I will click on generate. And now let it generate these videos, and let's have a look at these results and you tell me how cool they are. So that's it. That's how I created these videos using Seedance on Dzine. If you want to try it out yourself, check the link in the description of the video. There you have the link to Dzine, and you can try out Seedance yourself. It's really amazing. These videos look pretty good, and I think I'm gonna try out more of my artworks to make videos out of my images, and then I can use them for short form videos like for Instagram or YouTube Shorts, anything like that. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.